Hey YouTube, Heavy Mechanic Mike here. Well, I'd like to do a little unboxing video here on a tool set I just purchased. I purchased the torque wrench set off Amazon, which I'll leave a link down below, and I just pre-cut it here already with the my box cutter, just to make it easier to video with one hand. But I ordered the torque wrench set off of Amazon, the ANPUDS, I do believe that's what it is. And it comes in the 1/4" drive, the 3/8" drive, and 1/2" drive. So I've been wanting a new 1/2" drive torque wrench. I've been using the old Power Fist for a while now, and I think it's nearing the end of its life, and I've been wanting something to use, but I also wanted to purchase something that was budget friendly. So $100 Canadian, I was able to purchase this set, which is pretty good, because I found one split beam type for just for the 3/8", and a 1/2" alone was, I do believe it was a $400 set, which this one I get 3 torque wrenches out of. And initial unboxing, it looks really great. Wow. So this is what sold me. All the other ones that I was finding was all the way up to 50 foot-pounds to 170, and I wanted more range out of it, so I found one that was 30 to 250 foot-pounds. And my 3/8", 10 to 110 foot-pounds, which is perfect. Exactly what I need for doing exhaust manifolds and oil coolers and, you know, the little studs. And we have our 1/4" drive, which goes to 20" to 240" pounds. So initial unboxing, I like it. I love the colors. I love the black. I love the matching set. So far, initial reaction is good. And we have the adapter here. Oh, sorry. The adapter here. 3/8" to 1/2". I know we got 1/4" to 3/8". So it's my 1/4". And it's a click type torque wrench. And again, this is the ANPUDS. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but that's how I'm saying it. Weight is pretty good. There's a part number right here for the 3/8". Yeah, I'm impressed. For something that's budget friendly, and the quality, the laser etching, is pretty cool. I like it. Yeah, the ratcheting head is pretty good. Yeah, I'm impressed with this. Wow. So let's see here. I don't remember how many teeth it is off the top of my head. No, can't see. No, but it doesn't matter. Where? Newton meters, foot-pounds. And I give it a good thumbs up.